Hello everyone and welcome to another lesson here at Sparkle English. My name is Jennifer and I am your English YouTube teacher. Today's lesson is a very basic English grammar lesson on the difference between two small but very similar words, so and such. So and such can both mean very or really. We use so and such to intensify adjectives, adverbs, and nouns. Let's look at some examples. She is so cute. You could also say, she is really cute, or she is very cute. We use the words so, really, and very to intensify the adjective cute. She isn't just cute, she is so cute. However, we could also say, she is such a cute girl. Now, how can you tell the difference between when to use so and when to use such? We use so before an adjective or an adverb. Your teacher is so nice. She sings so beautifully. And we use such before a noun or a noun phrase. Now be careful because a noun phrase could include an adjective before the noun. Mr. Smith is such a nice teacher. She is such a beautiful singer. Let's look at some more examples. She looks so happy. He has such a long beard. Dave is so tired. He has had such a long day. We can also use so in front of the following words: much, many, little, or few. We cannot use such in front of these words. For example, there were so many people at the party. Luke ate so much pizza last night. Now let's practice together. I want you to fill in the blanks using so or such. I really had a nice evening with you. The movie was funny. Lauren has many friends. It's a hot day. You are an angel. The answer to number 1 is such. I really had such a nice evening with you. Evening is a noun, so we have to use such. The answer to 2 is so. The movie was so funny. Funny is an adjective, so we have to use so. The answer to number 3 is so. Lauren has so many friends. Remember, before the words many, much, few, and little, we have to use so. The answer to number 4 is such. It's such a hot day today. Again, day is a noun, so we have to use such. And finally, the answer to number 5 is also such. You are such an angel. Angel is a noun, so again, we have to use such. Now I would like you to practice writing sentences using so and such in the comment section of this video. Make sure to subscribe to Sparkle English for more videos just like this one. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next lesson.